You're standing out there on the patio with a cold drink in one hand and the tongs in the other, staring at a piece of equipment that costs more than your first car. And you have to wonder if those extra chips and sensors are actually cooking your dinner or just making your phone buzz for no reason. That is the big question when you look at these two outdoor cooking beasts side by side. We are talking about the standard version of this powerhouse grill versus the connected Pro model. At their heart, these two machines are essentially twins. They both use propane to get that roaring heat started. They both utilize a specialized airflow system that makes them act like a high-end convection oven and a rugged grill all at once. Whether you want to sear a steak at blistering heat or slow smoke a rack of ribs for half a day, the metal and the fire are basically identical. You get that same multi-zone setup that allows you to manage different foods at once. You get the same 5-in-1 capability to bake, roast, smoke, grill, or even fire up a pizza with that distinct outdoor flavor. If you stripped away the stickers and the digital screens, you would have a hard time telling which one was which just by looking at the burners or the grates. But then you get into the brain of the machine, and that is where the paths diverge. The standard model is for the purist. It is for the person who likes to hear the sizzle and check the meat themselves. It has the basic tools you need to get the job done without any extra fluff. It already feels like a massive leap forward from those old school gas grills that just had simple high, medium, and low knobs. This thing is precise and powerful. But then, you look at the Pro version. This is where the tech enthusiasts start to get excited. It hooks up to your home network and talks to an app on your phone. You can be sitting on your couch 3 rooms away and see exactly what the internal temperature of your brisket is doing in real time. It offers guided cooking recipes. This is like having a tiny chef in your pocket telling you exactly when to flip the meat or pull the roast. Is it necessary? That depends entirely on how you spend your Saturday afternoons. If you are the type who throws some burgers and hot dogs on the grates for 20 minutes, then all that connectivity is going to feel like total overkill. You do not need a push notification to tell you a burger is done. You just look at it and know. But if you are diving into a 12-hour smoke session for a massive pork shoulder, that app becomes a lifesaver. It saves you from running back and forth to the patio every 30 minutes to check a dial. It gives you peace of mind while you handle other things. You are paying for the convenience of walking away without the constant fear of ruining an expensive piece of meat. Under the hood, the horsepower is the same. The heat output does not change. The build quality is consistent across both units. One is just a bit more vocal about what it is doing. You have to decide if that digital conversation is worth the extra cash, or if you would rather just trust your gut and your own eyes. It really comes down to whether you want a simple tool or a smart partner in the backyard. One is a reliable workhorse that does exactly what you tell it to do. The other is a smart assistant that monitors every single flare-up and temperature dip while you focus on your guests. Both will give you an incredible meal, but only one will send you a text message when it is time to eat. It is a classic battle of tradition versus the future. There is no wrong answer as long as the food tastes great at the end of the day.